My name is Topi Paananen and I'm the CEO and the entrepreneur of Peikko Group Corporation. I've been working for the business now for the last 15 years. Peikko actually was founded already 55 years ago by my father, and I have been running the company now for the last 15 years since 2005. Peikko is involved in 4 sectors of business in various connection items for precast and casting situ fields. We are doing also wind turbine tower foundations, and biggest of our areas is delta beams, a beam structure, frame structure that enables very slim and effective frame structures for the buildings. And I find Peikko actually a very nice company to work for and to have because the things we do, we are able to support our customers. We can provide technical support, we can provide softwares that the customers are benefiting by when using it. So all this makes me motivated to work for the company and of course develop the company further. Peikko is currently having its own teams in 34 countries, and UAE is one of the key countries where we are located in. We started in UAE back in 2007. Actually, the first time I visited UAE was 2006, and I was basically saying that, hey, we need to be here, because we immediately felt that our products could support the local construction industry by giving the speed and efficiency, enabling off-site work by reducing labor at the building site. So the benefits of Peikko were clear to us that there could be benefits for the local customers, and that was the reason why we started. In 2007 had our first team members, and then officially in Ras Al Khaimah we started, I believe that was somewhere 2009 and 2010. In business there are also always difficulties. I mean, the difficulties are caused by the markets, okay, they are caused by ourselves, our inabilities to adjust ourselves in line with the customer expectations. I think the beginning of Peikko in UAE was definitely difficult because of financial crisis. We started in 2008, 2009, and of course all of us know that the building activity 10 years ago was also hit hard in the UAE. On the other hand, the road has been also good. So over the years we have been able to grow the business in UAE. We have also been able to build a beautiful factory in Ras Al Khaimah, which were opened just last year, 2020, and now we are able to offer better possibilities, better capacities and capabilities for our customers. But certainly we have learned a lot about the building culture, what products of Peikko actually fitting to the market, which not. But difficulties as an entrepreneur, they are just challenges. So never give up. That's how it goes when being an entrepreneur. Peikko's business strategy is simple. We want to go to the customers, we want to serve them technically with various means of technical support, calculations, approvals, software. So the use of our items are simple, and the products themselves have always some unique property, some unique benefit that makes the construction work easier, faster or more efficient. In some cases also more safer, I must say. And that's a strategy, and we always have basically a plan that we are local in all the countries where we operate. And that's why it was self-evident for us that being in UAE, we have a Peikko Gulf LLC as a legal entity. We have a local team, and we are serving and meeting the customers locally. That's the only way to give good technical support when you meet people face to face. Okay, now in the COVID times we are meeting more with teams, but the time comes when we are back in business and meeting the customers face to face. First of all, I must say that how the UAE government has handled the COVID-19 pandemic, in what I have actually understood, what I have seen, the UAE government has done a good job. Under very difficult circumstances, the UAE government has done a good job, particularly when comparing many other countries. That's the first step. The second thing, if we think about generally speaking, Peikko received actually pretty good support at the very early years from Rakesh, Ras Al Khaimah Economic Zone. We were giving good guidance on locations, legal entities. When building a factory, we get good support on electricity, sewage, networks, etc. So the support, being a company in UAE, we got good support from the government on the basic infrastructure issues. So my viewpoint on the UAE is that UAE is a good place to do business. It is an easy place to do business, and the government are enabling us to serve our customers very well.